Thailand's Ministry of Public Health is warning teens against buying oversized condoms to impress their spouse. And those who buy condoms larger than the real size of their penises create a risk of contracting or spreading sexually transmitted diseases. We knew that, Melissa. What do you say? Are you buying oversized female condoms?
You know, it's embarrassing to buy condoms. Let me first say that, because it must be shameful for young kids or people that are, you know, new to sex to buy condoms. Because for me, for the first time, it was scary to buy tampons and to buy condoms, and I was ashamed. So they must want to buy larger condoms because they don't want the person behind the counter to know what their sizes are. Yeah. They're embarrassed.
Well, they are embarrassed, but I mean, it's important to realize that we're talking about kids, though. We're talking about young teenagers, and kids do dumb things to impress people. They don't think about consequences a lot of the time. I mean, we've all done stupid stuff. But the problem is here that venereal diseases have risen 5 times since 2005 in Thailand, and it's raising a serious question now. And unfortunately, buying oversized condoms has a lot to do here.
So it's a lack of education.
That's what I was going to say. Yeah, exactly. It's like who's to blame here? I mean, the study which came up with these numbers about the rising levels of STDs was the Kingdom Ministry of Public Health, and they warned that STIs among 10 to 19-year-olds have increased 5 times. Why are 10-year-olds even having sex? First off, that's just weird. But we know Thailand's pretty open about sex and transsexuality and all these different things. So.
Yeah, I think it's upsetting. I mean, first of all, that they're so young, and second, that they're obviously not getting sexual education. Yeah. Because they don't understand that they have to purchase sizes that fit, and that they should be more aware of the ramifications of sex, like STDs and disease. Yeah,
I just had a pretty good idea. If I was the Kingdom's Ministry of Public Health, if I was the chairman over there, you know what I would tell the kids? I would tell the boys, buy really big socks and shoes so that the girls think that you have a big one, and then you don't have to risk losing a condom in her.
I think that's a good idea, but I think that first things first is, like, they should be understanding what sex is all about, how it works, and it's shameful, it's embarrassing, but it's also interesting that they just opened up this museum. I think it's like a condom museum that they just opened up in Thailand, and that they're starting to do all these initiatives. They're going to be giving out free condoms. They're going to be providing smaller sized condoms for people so that young kids aren't purchasing enlarged condoms. So it's interesting to see that they're actually making steps and strides towards it, but they're not actually like pushing the education, and they're not pushing like the component of really teaching kids about what sex is and how it works.
Well, I think they surely will now, though. Like you said, they're opening this condom museum.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably in response to the rising level of STDs. Well, it's an interesting topic. Let us know what you guys think by commenting, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to The Lip for more.